Hello, welcome to the 2JZ channel. This is a 1993 Specialized Stumpjumper M2. This paint kind of reminds me of a Nissan Skyline GTR. They have a unique color called a midnight purple. It's like a chameleon paint, like a green and purple fade. So this is one of the reasons why I also love 90s bike, because of its colors. I also polished the frame. I wet sanded and polished with a ceramic coating. 90s frame, majority of the companies are still made in the USA, which is really cool. So I have this bike for about half a year now, and I kind of made it like a city slash commuter bike. Some of the things I done is add a front basket. This is a Portland Design Works basket. What I love about it is that you could attach a light onto it, and you could also storage food when you go to groceries. So right now I have a whole gallon jug of water, and it's still plenty of space and deep enough for other things you could add. And you could remove this bag and take it to the grocery with you. It's really nice and handy, very practical. This is a vintage 1992 Specialized light halogens, which I really love. I did change the handlebar grip. This is an ODI V2 lock-on grip, made in US. It's very comfortable and wide for my hand size. I did replace the tires. These are Kanja cruiser tires, 26-inch. What I love about them is they have like the best of both worlds for like a light duty off-roading. It does have a nice tread block for wet traction, so the water could channel through. I did replace this is an ODI valve stem cap cover, so it will match the handlebar. It has the original Shimano Dual LX shifters and levers. It also has the original group set, the Shimano Dual LX M560 series. I did replace the pedals. These are Shimano Vintage DX SPD pedals, made in Japan. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is also a vintage Tonge, made in Japan, Prestige headset, the T-bone. I did add a vintage Specialized bottle cage with a retro Specialized bottle. And I did add a matching set of vintage 1992 catalog bags. This is a frame bag, and this is like a shoulder pad, so if you need to cross over a river, you could put this against the shoulder and carry the bike over the river. This is a saddle bag, which I have tools in there, and my pocket knife, switchblade. And this is my rear trunk cooler, so I could bring food and water. Right now I have it's very practical. It comes in handy. I have my park tool, a needle nose plier. It's also a brake line cable cutter. I have my extra inner tube. I have a first aid kit, and also my primary rechargeable compressor, air pump compressor. It comes in handy when you have it flat. And I also have a secondary air pump just in case if it runs out of charge. I could use this. Both a Presta and a shredder valve. And I also have a Thule, a Swedish bike rack. This is a very neat system. It's universal patent design. It's pretty much mounted on the strapping system. You can strap it down, it will tighten, and you can also quick release. It's very sturdy, very good high build quality aluminum. It supports up to 25 pounds. And what else? Oh yes, I did change to a optional vintage quick release lever from Specialized. Also a 92 accessory. And yeah, this is my build. Like I said, I go grocery shopping, I take it to work. It does the job. You can't go wrong with a 90s bike because they're more budget friendly versus a brand new bike. You could find a 90s bike like Specialized GT Trek on the marketplace, Craigslist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.